the remote infinity control. So it's not just a straight summer on and off. You have controllable ones, right? So you see the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can zone them. You could have it hotter over here, lower over there. That's really going to be what's your menu, what are you dialing in. You might just want to have the top hot because you're doing cold service. You have your cold well, and maybe you don't even need this one right now. You could do it that way. They do work, but there's a little tape on it and stuff, and it's gonna smell if I flip it on before the tape and all that. So I was just make sure we get the tape off, but they all work. I checked them. Any questions on the glow ray heat lamps? Yeah, the Hakko stuff's so easy. I love being the Hakko guy. You hit the button, it works. It just goes. Steam wells. You have your fill here, so it looks like you do not have autofill. You have this, which I think is actually pretty nice. So we're shooting for about 1.25 inches water in there. I mean, that's gonna last for a long bit of service. So here's your drain, right? So if we're not filling up, drain's open. So here's our drain switch. I'm gonna get you a new button because it looks like so button got knocked off here. I already made it out. Flip them. Well, here's your for your vent and everything to make sure we are keeping the inside cool for service, and then flip these. And again, this is you have the infinity control, so it's not straight on and off. You can find your temperatures. Refer to the manual if you're looking for rough temperatures at what number. It is a little bit by the electric and the environment, you know, what the exact level is going to be. That's why it's still 1 to 10. But you can refer to the manual. It's going to give you a lot of advice on different, you know, peas versus chicken. You know, where does it think it should be at? And it's kind of nice if you have warming cabinets. Maybe not mine. No, someone else's warming cabinets. Oh, then that guy will probably give it to you. But there's generally a good. You guys probably have it. You probably teach this stuff. You probably find of like, you know, what's the average? What's the preferred holding temperature?
So I saw the switch on and off and turn on. What was the vent fire for?
Oh, this is because it can get super hot inside of here, which would burn out the controls. So you do want to have the fan on.
So when it's on, had the fan on?
Yes,
Okay,
yeah.
That's all I knew. Okay.
Yeah, when it's on, and the same thing, I mean, even though it's just the heat, but because, you know, we pull away heat a lot of the time is also how we're trying to keep stuff cold. So it's you're gonna have the same over here, but it looks like you just want to, so air can get in and out. When you're rocking all the heat, I would put that on.
So all we have to do is turn it on.
Yeah, that refrigerator, you drop in, correct, just on and off switch.
Okay. How long does that take? Like,
That one's about 30 minutes. It's going to get the temperature down. Once frost gathering around the inside, but just leave it on the end of the day, turn it off, and it'll drain itself down that hole.
okay. Good to know. So you want to turn it on. So-
It gives about a half an hour.
Yep, and so if you ever need to look at it, bang, there's really not much down here, right? But it's a manifold drain. So that's pretty nice. You just, as long as you have your drains, they're gonna fill together. So we could fill it if you wanted to, but an inch would work.
So if I spin from this side, it goes into the other.
Yeah, it's manifold, so it's coming in and up. Yep.